Hello queens, welcome back to my channel. I am Naya. So to make this DIY aloe vera leave-in conditioner, this treatment is one of the easiest and the simplest treatment you can make with your aloe vera. I already made an aloe vera leave-in conditioning treatment, so this one is more of like an updated one. So of course you'll be needing your aloe vera, and first thing you want to do is to go ahead and cut off that rough edges. Yes, go ahead and cut that off, and then I went ahead to chop it into tiny pieces like so. Next is to throw all the chopped up aloe vera into a bowl of water, and I'm going to soak this for about 30 minutes. This is to get rid of all those that yellow liquid you usually see in your aloe vera. They are not good for the hair. That usually cause irritation to the scalp. So when you soak it this way, this allows that yellow liquid to leave the aloe vera easily before using it. So now that the aloe vera is clean, next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and cut up the aloe vera into 2 pieces like so. After cutting it up, I make use of a spoon to scoop out the aloe vera juice. Is it juice or gel? Well, in this case it's looking more like a juice, so just make use of a spoon to scoop out the aloe vera gel. So guys, one thing I'm going to point out is that when you're scooping out your aloe vera gel, make sure you don't get any of the skin in like I did, because after I need to go in and then make sure I get all of the aloe vera skin out before I go in and blend it. You don't want any of the aloe vera skin in your juice or gel, trust me. So guys, using aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner is one of the best. Like, you can never go wrong when you use aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner. It is a very natural remedy as a leave-in conditioner. So I'll also be discussing some of the benefits towards the end of this video. So guys, after scooping out all the aloe vera gel, I transferred that into a blender and I went ahead to blend it. So guys, have it in mind that you don't necessarily need to blend at your aloe vera. There is this other method I use whereby you scoop it out with it, not scoop it out, you scrape it, the gel out with a spoon. Doing it that way, if you don't have your blender at hand, you can easily do it that way without blending it. It is also fine, or you can also decide to blend it, whichever one works best for you. So after doing that, I'm going to be using this sieve. You make sure you want to make use of something that can catch all the particles. So I made use of this sieve. The holes are very tiny, so it is very hard for any particle to escape. After doing that, I transferred the juice into a spray bottle like so. Next guys, you can also decide to add a little bit of water, especially if your aloe vera gel is thick. You can decide to add a little bit of water. This is also going to help moisturize. Water, you can never go wrong with water. So after that, I added olive oil. I added half tablespoon of olive oil to it. Next, I added half tablespoon of castor oil to it as well. After that, the last thing I added was lavender essential oil. Have in mind that you can make use of any essential oil of your choice. This is just to enhance the fragrance, or you don't necessarily have to do this. It is optional, as that aloe vera does not have any upsetting smell. The smell is just okay. It doesn't have any upsetting smell. So guys, now I am going to be showing you guys how to apply this leave-in conditioning treatment. It is pretty simple. As you can see, my hair is, you want to apply this on a very clean hair. Have in mind, on a clean hair, not on a dirty hair. So here my hair is already washed, it is dry as you can see, but I have not yet detangled. As you can see, you can tell in this video I have not detangled, but my hair is dirt free. I don't have any dirt. I don't also have any product on my hair. I did not apply any product on my hair. No oils, no butter, nothing whatsoever. So guys, I usually advise that before you apply any leave-in conditioning treatment to your hair, you want to first of all detangle or comb out your hair. But if you don't want to do that straight away, you might also want to take it in section. You detangle, you apply the leave-in conditioner like I'm doing here. I took my hair in section because I don't want the pain of detangling everything at once, so I just had to do it in section. Spray on the aloe vera leave-in conditioner, then I work it on my hair like so. After that, I made use of this detangle brush to comb it out just like so. Make sure I don't have any knots or whatsoever on my hair. After doing that to that first section, I went ahead to twist it up like so, then move on to another section. So guys, let's take a moment to talk about the benefit of aloe vera as a leave-in conditioning treatment. Most of us don't even know that you can actually use aloe vera on your hair without having to wash it out. Aloe vera helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Aloe vera helps promote shiny and a smooth hair, no doubt. It also promotes healthy hair growth. It prevents your scalp from itching. It helps reduce dandruff, and overall it conditions your hair. Have in mind that aloe vera can be applied on either wet or dry hair. It doesn't really matter. As you can see that my hair is dried, so I'm using this to condition it. And also, did I forget to mention that aloe vera also helps soften the hair, especially if you're one of those people that has a very thick hair. It makes it more easier to manage. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you've been watching and you haven't joined the clique yet, what are you waiting for? Join the clique, subscribe to this channel for more content. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're new, welcome to the channel as well. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Like this video, share this video, leave your comment. I love interacting with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.